Let's talk about Mesima mushroom, powerful anti-cancer agent, anti-inflammatory agent, anti-aging agent, and helps with all kinds of things. This is amazing. You need to know about this. And I'll talk about dosage at the end of the video. Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now. Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Let's talk about the health benefits of Mesima mushroom. And this is a great thing. It helps with cancer in a great way. Also, anti-inflammatory, helps to slow the aging process, all kinds of different things. It's just an amazing thing. And traditional Chinese medicine has been used for thousands of years successfully and helps with inflammation and lumps and tumors and bleeding and GI problems and a powerful immune booster. Also, has a lot of flavonoids in it and polyphenols and antioxidants in general. Helps with inflammation, and it helps to kill off, tumor cells, that type of thing. And it's antiviral also. And it slows the the aging process. If you're like me in the 60s or 70s, you want that. It's a prized mushroom that's found in, in Asia, in Japan, China, and Korea, those areas. Its scientific name is Phalenus latinus. Phalenus latinus, and it's in China is known as Sanghang. In Japan is known as Makabu. And Korea is known as Shanghua. And also in China, sometimes they call it Sangjin. So it's very, very common in Asia and it's very powerful. And we'll get into some case studies about it actually having cancer disappear with it. So, and it contains lots of things, lots of caffeic acid, allergenic acid, hesperidine, all kinds of, powerful agents. I mean, it's a long, long list. Anti-cancer agent has been studied in Korea for years and years, and it slows the growth of tumors, stimulates the immune system, and helps with actually stopping metastasis in general and stop the spread of tumors in the body. A study at Harvard Medical School actually even said it contains powerful anti-cancer agents. A study in the British Journal of Cancer showed that it prevented the development of breast cancer, so it actually prevented breast cancer in general. A study in the Current Medical Chemistry Journal in 2008 showed that extracts actually enhance immune function and curbed inflammation and suppress growth and spread of cancerous cells. So, wow. Some people find tumors actually disappear. And so that's a really big thing. I'll talk about a few here in a minute. Actually, it also helps with breast cancer, skin cancer, oral cancer, colon cancer, lung cancer, liver cancer, prostate cancer, just about everything. If you got a cancer, I would recommend you be taking this. Also, a study in experimental and therapeutic medicine 2010 showed that actually regression in case studies of the whole tumor itself actually, going into remission. A man with multiple lung metastasis completely went into remission after 6 months. He was 79, and basically his cancer disappeared. A 65-year-old man had prostate cancer, and after taking the mushroom for 18 months, his cancer went into remission. So, wow. Also, another man with prostate cancer, he went into remission after taking this mushroom after a while also. So, pretty amazing stuff. It boosts up our immune system, helps with beta-glucans, actually are in this, so it actually is immune enhancer with that. Also, it's a powerful DNA repair agent, so it's really good for free radical damage. And one of the healing aspects of this for cancer also. Also helps with rheumatoid arthritis. If you got rheumatoid arthritis, get a hold of me. We can make that go away really quick. Also helps with allergies and suppresses some of the pathways for inflammation and actually stops the pathways itself. Also stops intestinal bleeding, which is really important if you have GI tract bleeding, not good. Powerful anti-inflammatory, lots of powerful inflammatory compounds, helps with arthritis, joint pain, rheumatoid arthritis, back pain, any kind of inflammatory disease in general. And as inflammation starts moving you towards disease in general. So this is great for pain, swelling, redness, on and on and on. It lowers blood pressure also. So this wonderful little mushroom is amazing. We get it in capsules here. You know, not like you're going to go to Japan to pick your own. It also helps heal the GI tract, and it helps with the inflammation of the GI tract, and heals diarrhea from bacterial infections also. Helps with treating infertility, and people who have infertility, it can help with the NK cells and cytokines, and people become pregnant after taking this mushroom for a while. Also, like I said, it's antibacterial, helps with the E. coli and staph infections, and antibiotic-resistant infections also. So this is another one. You know, we get a lot of antibiotic-resistant bacteria out there. Also helps with eczema. A study in 2012 actually showed that it reduced dermatitis inflammation in a great way. So, and if you have eczema, it's a terrible thing to have. Also, get a hold of me. We can make that disappear. Also, like I said, slows the aging process. It's got a lot of resveratrol in it, just like we have in red wine and grape juice. Also, it's antiviral and helps with colds and flus and other things. So it's really great in that way because it has lots of antioxidants. Also helps with liver disease and keeps your liver healthy and protects the liver in general to keep it healthy. Also helps with asthma. You know, we just have, starting today in Puerto Rico, we have the Sahara winds coming in. And this morning when I was walking the dogs, I could see the sun, but all it was a round ball. It was so much dust in the air. And I'm telling you, they're telling people to stay inside because if you have asthma. But if you take your vitamin C and also take this wonderful mushroom, you can really do well. There's no doubt about it. Also, it's antibacterial, antifungal, and like I said, helps with a lot of fungal infections also. Helps control excessive bleeding of your GI tract and also monthly bleeding of your periods also. Also helps with type 2 diabetes and helps to lower and stabilize blood sugar. And that's really important. You know, a lot of people have diabetes, but we can get you on the track to healing that also. A study in international immunopharmacology in 2010 actually showed that it helps to regulate the expression of diabetes also and help to get rid of it in general. Another study in 2011 in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that this wonderful mushroom has an agent in it that actually significantly increases insulin production. So really great. Also, it's an antihistamine agent. It helps with inflammation and great for those with allergies in general. So if you have allergies, also could be toxins in your body. I find a lot of people who have a lot of allergies have a lot of toxins. You need to do detoxing too. That's important. What is the dose? The dose here is from 10 to 30 grams on the average person. If you're suffering from some kind of disease, you might want to take the extract and take from 2 to 3 grams daily also. So that's really important. And the forms, you can get it in powders and capsules and teas and extracts, so all kinds of different things. Finding it, you can find it on Amazon, eBay. You might find it at your local health food store. Side effects, taking a normal amounts is really no side effects, but it can cause GI upsets if you take it in super large amounts. But of course, not for those who are pregnant, nursing, or small children. And to those who have enlarged prostate, it's probably not good for you. For some reason, they have not figured that out. It might increase prostate problems, but there's the opposite camp. It says it actually helps with prostate. So I would try it and see. I kind of doubt it caused problems with the prostate, but I'm just throwing it out there. Okay. So anyway, if you want to try this wonderful mushroom, it's really important. I think it's really great for the body in general. I find it's powerful in general. So, and I find all the mushrooms are really important for healing. If you want to stay away from cancer in the first place, I highly recommend my new book, Live a Cancer-Free Life. It's on Amazon as a book. It's a paperback book also, and also now a Kindle, download, so you can get it on as a Kindle thing, so you can get it on your device, so you can watch it, read it, and enjoy it that way. Some people were asking about that. 3 out of 5 people, moving towards 4 out of 5 people are coming down with cancer. We can't afford to come down with that. I have a lady right now, one of our friends, that has breast cancer, just went through surgery a few days ago, and wow, not good. She's getting better, but let's not go through that in the first place. What's some simple ideas that you can, and this is a quick read, it's not a big, thick book. It's some things that you can do to keep yourself from having cancer. Also, if you'd like to do a consultation, my contact information is at the end of the video. Also, down below, if you click on Show More, I would love to talk with you. I ask for a $50 donation to get you on the road to healing, and would love to work with you. And, I've had people with diabetes, I've had people with MS, had people with all kinds of things, lupus and sickle cell anemia, all these things going into remission, and we can make it happen for you. And we can get you on the road to becoming extremely healthy like me. So have a wonderful day. And remember a couple of things. Remember God, and remember, I love you.